So to find this the solution for question 3, this is the steps I took, and I'll make you follow along. So first we took the equation, we wrote it down. Then after, since we flipped everything, we got 2y equals x plus 4. We divide everything by 2 as well, because we need to isolate the y, and that's how we do it. We just divide it by 2 and then get rid of the 2, and then what you do to one side you have to do to the other, right? Which in turn causes y equals negative let me get that focus. I mean y equals 1 over 2 x plus 2. And after, on the other side, we got 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals 0, and 2y equals negative 3x divided by 2 plus 12 divided by 2, which equals y equals negative 3 divided by 2x plus 6. And after we do that, we take that equation and we go to our graph, right? First we write first we use the y-intercept, which is plus 2. So on here we go up 2 on the y, 1, 2, giving us this point right here, and that's our starting point. And after, for every 2 we go up, we go for every 1 we go up, we go to, for every 1 we go up on the y-axis, we go 2 on the x-axis. So it would be like this. So every 2 we go up 1. That's our main point. 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1. If you see it, and then after we have negative 3 over 2x plus 6. We go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our starting point. And since it's negative, we go down that amount. So for every 3 we go down 2. So it would be down 3 and 2. Oh, and we see we met at a point. We met at this point right here. That point right there, if you guys can focus that. And that was just a reference point. Where's my eraser? Or whatever. Just do this. Okay, I think that's more clear. So we see that it meets right here. So that is, we'll come back to that in a sec. Let's just continue. Go 3, and then boom. And then you can draw a line through this, but I don't have any straight edges with me right now. And so this point right here, this is called the solution. And what you do to interpret this is 2, since it goes 2 to the right, or 2 to the right or left, that's the x-axis, and that's 2. Since it goes 2 in that direction, right? It would be positive 2 since it goes to the right and not to the left. And the x-axis is always first when you're writing the solution. So we got 2, and then after, the y-axis is 3, because it goes from 0, it goes 1, 2, 3, and it meets right there, and that's where the 2 lines meet, and that's 3. And this is useful. And learning these kinds of equations is useful. Or learning how to do this kind of math is useful when you're trying to calculate your cost and revenue and whether a certain plan will be better than the other. And that is our solution, and maybe I forgot something. I do not think I forgot anything. Yeah. Thank you for listening.